Welcome to TubeBuddy. My name is Daniel, and this is the second video in this series walking you through the TubeBuddy software in a way that makes it easy for you as a creator to understand. In the last video, I showed you the TubeBuddy shortcuts menu, and today I'll be moving on to the next section, starting with the extension tools. Now, these tools are ones you can use right inside of your browser while you're logged into your YouTube account. These will appear as pop-up windows on your screen so that you'll never leave the YouTube platform. The very first extension tool I want to show you is the Keyword Explorer. This is by far one of the most powerful tools in your TubeBuddy arsenal. The Keyword Explorer allows you to find video topics for your channel that your target audience might already be looking for. It also shows you if your channel might have an opportunity to rank for those targets. Wouldn't it be nice to know if your video had a shot at actually being discovered on YouTube before you even film? You can, and this is the tool to do just that. All you have to do is type a keyword target into the search bar and the Keyword Explorer does the research for you. Once you have your target, you can open up the video topic planner right below it and start working out the ideas for your video. TubeBuddy will save all of your titles and notes in one easy to find location. One of the coolest new features that's just been added to TubeBuddy is the new SEO Studio Beta. This allows you to take your keyword target, drop it in, and start building the SEO optimization for your video. Simply insert your keyword target and then Studio Beta starts doing the rest, prompting you through the process of creating the best title for that target. It also helps you build the description to further optimize that video for that target. TubeBuddy will help you find the most relevant tags and even upload and save your thumbnail to compare to others so that your video is optimized and ready to be published even before you've uploaded it. The tag lists feature allows you to compile all of the relevant keyword tags that you might want to use in your videos as well. Once you've got your video ready to publish, you might ask yourself, when's the right time to publish my video? Well, TubeBuddy has you covered here as well, with strategy tips to help you find what that right time might be, so that your video can reach the most amount of potential viewers. If you want to learn more about these extension tools and how they work, I'll put links down below. When you're ready, join me in the next video where we'll cover the website tools. I'll see you over there.